Hi everybody, I hope you're surviving quarantine. Let's look at chapter 2 of my fan earrings.
The first thing was to source the two main oval stones for each earring. This was great fun, but much harder than I thought. I looked at color change sapphires, pale pink, fuchsia, and paparaja sapphires, and spinels, which are one of my favorite gemstones. I wanted to have a pair in the amazing Vietnamese pink, and I also looked at lavender and all sorts of purple, but it had to be pale lilac. I was really struggling to match two perfect pairs in the tones I wanted. Either the shapes didn't work, or the color was too boring, or the size or the tone didn't match. But yes, I found my perfect four: two bright Vietnamese pink spinels and two beautiful tanzanites. I wanted elongated ovals, which made everything even more difficult and involved recutting, but it was worth it. The next step was to design the Pave layout for the fans. I created a few compositions mixing different tones of blue, purple, and pink sapphires, pink spinels, and diamonds. These were my two favorite compositions, and I finally went for the version on the left. Once we had all the stones, I confirmed all the measurements so we could create the mount. This is a digital image gathering all my info. Once everything seemed to work, we cast all the individual parts, some in platinum to give the earrings strength and shine, and some in silver to keep the earring light. Then we clean up every section individually to achieve a perfect finish everywhere, and we assemble the parts. Next is to decorate the back of the earrings, cutting a beautiful honeycomb pattern for the back holes. At first, we drill round holes for the stones, which we then cut into geometric shapes and thread carefully to minimize the metal. This way, maximum light goes through the stones and the back of the earring look as beautiful as the front. Once we finish all the metal work, we were ready to set the step-cut diamonds around the edges. We shipped the fans to Israel so that the baguette-shaped diamonds would be perfectly cut to fit the very sharp edges. I still wonder, how did we manage to cut and set such pointy corners without a single diamond chipping? Such incredible skill. While the baguette diamonds were being cut, we continued setting the detachable tops of the earrings with the four main oval stones and all the round diamonds around the collets. Once the fans were back in Geneva and the baguettes were set, the last stage of the setting was the Pave. This was such an exciting Geneva trip. For the first time, I saw it all coming together. The metal was pre-cut with the stones laid but unset, so I could make changes. It was looking good but needed more purple and lighter blues. Back in London, I was still moving stones around through endless messages. And at last, 474 stones later, we were ready for the final polish. Then we oxidized the silver to create the contrast between the bright white and black metal, and we finally got there. I was hugely excited and could not wait to see some images. And finally, I received these text messages and could not wait to have the earrings in my hands.